Hello everybody. Today I am going to teach you creating a 1D array. First of all, you need to understand what is array. Array is a list of data. In everyday life we prepare a list. Suppose a list for computer items, list of softwares, list of animals, list of fruits. Okay, these are the list. So how will you create a list in Python? How will you store in a computer? With the help of array. Okay, there are many types of array, but currently you are studying 1D array. 1D array means one dimensional array. One dimensional means only one column and many rows will be there. This is called 1D array. For example, a list of fruits, it is a 1D array, one dimensional array, because there is only one column. Okay, name of fruits, only name, so it is 1D array. Okay, so let's start how we can create 1D array in Python. An array with only single row of elements is called 1D array. Let us try to create a 1D array from a list which contains numbers as well as strings. Okay, so this is a command array2. The name of the array is array2. Okay, and np.array. One list is created, but inside the list see 5 minus 7.4 a 7.2. Do you see any difference? Others are number, only one member is string, others are numbers. Okay, this list is created and stored in the computer. Let's print this is array2. See, this array, when this is printed, what do you see the output? A is string, but others are also becoming string. 5 becomes string, 7.4 becomes string, 7.2 becomes string. What is the reason behind it? But what was our input? Our input was only A was string, but others are becoming string. What is the reason behind it? Let's find out. Observe that since there is a string value in the list, all integer and float values have been promoted to. Because of one is a string, so other numerical values are also promoted to string. This is the reason. While converting the list to array, this was happened when interpreter was converting list into array. There is a special note. You see in output U32. What is the meaning of this U32? U32 means Unicode 32 data. Okay. Now let's go to the Python ideally and run the same code, or we can make our own code. Okay. We have already imported Numpy as pk. Okay. Numpy as np. So now we don't need to write this statement again and again import, because already we have imported. Okay, let's write the command. We can use np as well as pk. So I'm using np, but we have to give a name of array. So this is array2. Array2. Okay, np.array. np.array parenthesis, we give some numbers 1, 2.5, okay, a, and minus 7. List is closed, parenthesis is closed, press enter key. Our statement executed without any error. Okay, but we need to find out what is stored in the array. So we need to print the array2. Simply type array2, enter. What you see in the output, 1 is becoming string, but our input was a number. 2.5 is becoming a string. A was already a string. -7 was a number, but it is converting into string. So this is a change in input. This is called type promotion. When any one number is string, so all the numbers are stored in the form of string only. Okay, and what is the data type? Data type is U32, Unicode 32 data type is there. It means its data type is Unicode 32. I hope you have understood the topic, whatever I have explained to you. Type promotion and creating a list. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me your doubts. In my next video, I will clear all your doubts. Don't hesitate to ask your doubts. Then only you can learn Python, Numpy, and Panda. Thank you very much for watching the video.